Welcome to Tech Titans Pro. Today, we're building the ultimate $500 gaming PC for 2025, powerful enough for 1080p gaming, streaming, and content creation, all without breaking the bank. Parts list. Let's break down the components we're using in this build. CPU, AMD Ryzen 5 5500, 6 cores of smooth performance. GPU, Radeon RX 6600, top-tier 1080p gaming performance. Motherboard, B550M, reliable and upgrade-ready. RAM, 16 GB DDR4 3200 MHz, perfect for multitasking. Storage, 500 GB NVMe SSD, fast load times, fast boot. PSU, 500W, 80+ bronze, stable and efficient. Case, mid-tower RGB case, great airflow and aesthetics. Total cost, around $500, based on current US pricing. Build process. Now, let's put it all together. Install the CPU and cooler, snap in the RAM, mount the SSD, and secure the motherboard into the case. Add the power supply and graphics card, then connect all the cables neatly. That's it, your gaming rig is ready. Game performance test. GTA 5, 100 plus FPS on very high. Tips and future upgrades. If you want to upgrade later, go for a Ryzen 7 CPU or add a 1 TB SSD for more storage. Always keep your GPU drivers up to date to get the best performance. And that's how you build a powerful budget gaming PC in 2025. If you found this helpful, give us a like, hit subscribe, and let us know your favorite budget build in the comments.